Okay guys, have a snowy day to all of you. By the way, this is Dark Miles of DMWorkxz, and this is a special day. It's just because of today is my birthday, and this time I will show you how to install and remove bearing rollers. Yes, bearing of rollers without using motor tools, mechanical, exclusive, or critical for object something. So I'm sorry for my mess table. So this time I will show you guys the things that we need. So the double thread shaft 2 by 38 millimeter, I think. So the ball cylinder, especially the rollers. We will remove the bearing, lock nut, and 2 6mm spacer and counter gear. So this 2-cylinder is for installing bearing rollers, and this counter gear, any counter gear of single shaft you can use. So this is for uninstalling bearing. So this time we will uninstall first the bearing of this 19mm high grade 6-spoke. So 2 by 38mm double thread shaft, 6mm spacer, then the rollers, okay, then I think as you can see, it's just because the counter gear have a hole here in the middle. Then let's try this first. Okay, so lock nut. Okay, so just close it until to the end. Okay, so we will remove the bearing inside of 19mm HG. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, the bearing was removed already. The rollers. Okay, so as you can see here, it's totally removed. Okay, here's the bearing. Okay, so we uninstalled the bearing of the rollers. So this time I will install it again to the rollers. So double thread shaft, spacer, then the cylinder you must put like this, like this. Okay, then rollers, bearing, and the ball cylinder on reverse. Okay, then spacer, as you can see, then lock nut. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so let me center the bearing of the rollers. Okay, so we will do it again. Just close it tightly. Okay, just give patience. Slow until we reach the max or flat. So as you can see, it's totally flat right now. So I have a bearing installer and remover tools, but I'll show this instruction to all my students, especially to all the guys out there without expensive tool. So as you can see guys, I installed it again. Okay, so that's it guys for my birthday today. And sorry for my messy table, it's just because of I am so very busy every day. Yeah, so thanks to all of you guys, to all my friends out there, just like, share and subscribe. And so we have a lot of video tutorials. So I called it a DMWorkxz reverse engineer. Actually this is my exclusive bearing, and it's totally damaged, the installer. And so that's it guys for now, and thanks to all of you.